Hello everyone. So if you want to manage the file manager on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, first of all open up your Files application. Now here at the bottom you will see three options: Recent, here is going to be your recent files; Shared, files shared with you during any kind of Apple option, right? And Browse. So here in your Browse you can see your iCloud Drive, your On My Phone option, and recently deleted. Also, it has your favorites and tags, so you can tag some files with red or any color just for your own comfort. Now, if we will enter any folder, for example, On My Phone folder, here at the top right corner you can press this three horizontal dots, and here you can adjust it so you can sort them by their kind, name, date, size, and tags. Now you can group files, for example, by type of date, and it helps you to manage files quickly and comfortably. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.